Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix Steam's can't add friend problem. So for this, what you want to do is after you open Steam, at the top where it says friends, click on it and make sure you set your profile to online. If you set it to anything else, then it's not going to work. Once you do that, what you want to do is click on your profile over here. So mine's one to step and it's going to show you your username of Steam. Click on it and click on where it says profile. Now once you click on profile, it's going to take you to your Steam profile. From over here, click on edit profile. Once you click on edit profile, from over here, click on avatar and set yourself an avatar. Because when you open Steam and you're new to Steam, you don't have an avatar, so you need to set an avatar. So set a random avatar and click on save after you set that. Once you do that, you need to go on where it says privacy setting. And inside privacy setting where it says my profile, make sure it's public. If it is private, then no one is going to be able to add you. Once you do that, go back and you should be able to add your friends. And if you're not able to add any friends, then it could be that you have blocked that person. If you have blocked somebody, then you won't be able to add them. So to check that, you can click on your profile again at the top. Click on where it says friends. Now once you're inside your friends area, go on where it says blocked. Once you click on blocked, it's going to show you the list of people you have blocked. And from over here, you can unblock your friend if you have blocked him. And you can also do this. Go on where it says pending invite. If your friend has already sent you a friend request, then it's going to be over here. So try to check if there is any friend request sent by your friend and try to accept it. Because if you have a pending invite already, then you cannot send invitation again. So do that and it should work. So that's how you guys can fix the problem of Steam not finding your friends or not being able to add them. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.